And they're up. Poor beginning for New York Jackie. Quick beginning for 10 Dozen Roses, who's away alertly and right to the early lead. Kicking in, comes away racing in second. Cookie Exchange is off heels and racing behind the speed. From the outside, that's Zelandia. Down toward the inside is Gaiska as they race into that first turn. The leader is 10 Dozen Rosen by a neck from Kicking in second. Famous Sting on the outside, now third. The Great Cookie Exchange between horses. Gaiska is next with New York Jackie moving 4 wide through the turn. And Zelandia last of the 7 as they bend into the backstretch. They went through the opening quarter mile in 24-4, and 10 Dozen Roses leads, but only narrowly. Kicking in is right alongside second. These two have now 2.5 lengths margin to over Famous Sting, who races in third. Cookie Exchange is in between horses and improves the spot now with New York Jackie on the outside. Half length back toward the rail, that's Gaiska, and trailing the field is Zelandia. Less than half a mile to go, the half mile in 49-1. They now leave the backstretch and move on to the far turn. 10 Dozen Roses continues to lead, and Kicking in is up on the outside second. It's 3 lengths back to the inside. Cookie Exchange is third. A stretch of another 2 to New York Jackie was Famous Sting. Then Zelandia, and at the back now, Gaiska. 5/16 to go. The battle up top continues. On the outside, Kicking in. On the inside, 10 Dozen Roses. Their heads apart. Kicking in, doing the better work at the quarter pole. 10 Dozen Roses with inside position. They've opened up 10 lengths now on Cookie Exchange and New York Jackie, and they're at the top of the stretch. On the outside, Kicking in. Tries to do just that and leads it 3/4 of a length. 10 Dozen Roses is stubborn, but holding second now, way back to the rest of the field, led by Zelandia and Gaiska. Final 16th. On the outside, the leader is still Kicking in. 10 Dozen Roses cannot stay with her. It will be Kicking in and Jesus Rios to kick off the early pick 4, wandering about in a 2-length winner. 10 Dozen Roses second in front of Gaiska third, Zelandia fourth, and 144-1.